The sound of language. Exploring the toll of bells. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase in English, the toll of bells. This expression is rich in history and meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your English comprehension. So, let's unravel the layers of this fascinating phrase together. The toll of bells refers to the ringing or sounding of bells. This phrase is often associated with church bells that ring during certain events. But it's not just about the sound. It's also about what the bells symbolize. The tolling of bells can represent a range of emotions and events, from joy and celebration to mourning and solemnity. Historically, bells have been a vital part of community life. They were used to signal important events, like church services, weddings, or funerals. In literature and poetry, the tolling of bells often symbolizes significant moments or emotions. For example, in John Donne's famous poem, For Whom the Bell Tolls, the bell symbolizes the interconnectedness of humanity and the inevitability of death. In modern times, the toll of bells is used both literally and metaphorically. Literally, it describes the actual ringing of bells. Metaphorically, it can indicate the presence of a significant event or emotion in someone's life. For instance, saying, "The toll of bells marked the end of an era," uses the phrase to signify a significant change. The toll of bells is a phrase that captures more than just a sound. It encompasses a wealth of emotions and historical significance. It's a beautiful example of how language can convey deep meanings and connect us to our past. I hope this video has given you a deeper understanding and appreciation of this phrase. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.